spiritual growth. The ultimate goal of emotional intelligence in Islam is not simply to feel better, but to become better servants of Allah. A believer's heart is alive with remembrance, guided by wisdom, strengthened by trust, and filled with hope. Such a heart remains humble in times of success, patient in times of hardship, forgiving when wronged, grateful for every blessing, and sincere in every action. When faith becomes the guide for every emotion, life itself becomes an act of worship. This is the path that leads to true inner peace, noble character, and eternal success in the hereafter. May Allah purify our hearts, guide our emotions with His light, and make every feeling we experience a means of drawing closer to Him. May He grant us sincerity in worship, patience in hardship, gratitude in blessings, and unwavering trust in His perfect plan. Ameen.